Hey everybody, we're out here at the farm. We just got through mowing. It's just looking so good. Had a pine tree that fell. Came right up by the roots. And the lilies are doing beautifully. Check that out. Oh, look at the butterfly. Absolutely beautiful. There's a gardenia down there too. There it is. Just beautiful. Remember those pumpkin seeds? Well, they're coming up. We even got some blossoms. Of course, this is what happens when you're not here to water it, but hey, we do have some blossoms. The deer have been in several times. I think I got a squirrel running over behind me. I hear it doing something over there. I'm gonna assume that's a squirrel. Rustling around through the trees. I've planted a couple of things. I planted a red mulberry, I believe it was. This is all kind of grown up. But there's the red mulberry. It was itty bitty when I planted it. Now you can see it's actually starting to grow. Yeah, I got something over there. Huh, don't know what that's making. What that is making all that racket in them woods. Took care of a bunch of the fire ants last time we came out and mowed. They're still here. Not as many of them, but they're still here. It's just so pretty now that we've gotten everything kind of cleaned up. We still have some trees to take down and some brush to clear, but that will come in time. I learned that this little tree right here is a sumac, and apparently I'm allergic. That was not a fun week, so we're not gonna touch that one. We got a gate up down here. So that goes on to our other 24 acres. We're going to put a deer stand right up here. We even cleared out some of this area back here. Love to get all of this cleared out, but we're working on it. Of course, it'd be so much easier to clear out if we had a tractor, but we don't. So just little by little. We got some really good friends that are helping us out. This just kind of opens up back here. It's so beautiful. It's like a little hiding spot. Not just, oh, something's been making a trail back there. Just goes back into that little trail. We just came from that direction. Whew. It looks good.
It looked pushed all out in the other day. You just see how much more yard you reclaim there?
This one down here?
Yeah.
I haven't been down here.
You're going to bring it there and on the right time of day and sit right there at the edge of the farm.
Look at all them pretty rocks.
Trees.
Did you move them rocks up here?
I left them, yes.
I like them. Nice.
That's where I was stacking them all.
Oh, he did. So he moved this tree back, huh?
They did. They pushed
Nice.
that back.
It's a big old dead tree right there.
They pushed all that brush pile back over here.
Yeah, I see that.
More over here.
Looks good.
He didn't touch that because it's poison sumac.
Yeah. Well,
so it needs to come down.
I'm right there with him.
Yeah.
Because that pretty tree back there is sumac too.
Yeah, we got plenty of that.
Yeah. Yeah, that, oh, look at all them big old rocks down there.
Yeah, so they'll come in handy.
Yeah, they will.
Or even around this. I don't know. Yeah, I started to go a little deeper in there, but after you almost get stuck over there, I think, you know what? It's not.
Yeah, you can't really get too much deeper. Well, I did a little bit. Yeah, I did.
Well, you can get the
The last time I went up in there by them trees.
Here's where drainage
Yeah.
is or was, but it goes uphill, which don't make any sense.
I don't know.
Well, maybe they changed. I don't know.
Oh, is that where you got stuck?
Where?
Oh, across that little creek. Oh, wow. You did get stuck, didn't you? That poor pond looks terrible. You didn't finish mowing this. You had one little spot right here. Look at that. You're so funny.
If you're gonna weed eat one spot, I can weed it. Yeah, that spot right there is just right above that, and it's wet. It looked wet from the mower, so I wasn't gonna get in it.
This little spot right here ain't. No.
Well, I was not gonna take a chance after that because you see where the southern side spun right there.
I see. One swoop right through here would have taken care of that.
Look, no, I'm good. I'd have to get the truck and drag it out. I'm not doing it.
Oh, that's funny.
Offer a little
Yeah, this
piece.
pond looks.
Well, you can get Sheila to pick up some tilapia or something for you and throw them in it.
Yeah.
Well, what they say, you need one every square foot, so
Something like that.
get some tilapia and throw in there.
So I came over here and I planted some elderberry and some plum. Where's my, there it is. Ooh, I can barely see with this sun. Anyway, I'm in the way. There's the one of the elderberries. It's doing pretty good. And there's the other elderberry, and it's doing really good. And then I planted a couple of native plums. So it's funny, these two elderberry bushes is John Adams. So we have John down there and we have Adams up here. I just thought that was kind of cute. And then these are just native plums. So I have one right there and I have one over here. And let's see if the spring is flowing. I hear it. There it is. She's a-flowing. Yep. Boy, it needs to be cleaned out. Some limbs and trees that have fallen over with all that big wind. What are these crepe myrtles? They are doing wonderful since I got them all trimmed up. They are doing so good. Creek is so pretty. Just need some TLC. And that's about it. Pretty much walked the whole property there. I'm not gonna say the whole property, walked the perimeter of it anyway. Yeah, unfortunately I took out the bully bucket, whatever that bucket was up there for. Yeah, I took it out with the mower. Well, we've had a lot of work done. All of those, I don't know if you remember the stumps that were up here by this tree. Those have all been removed. And over there, I didn't mention it as I was walking that way. Ooh, fire ant hill. but we got all that burned. So that was good. It was a couple of weeks ago. Anyway, that's about all she wrote. We're getting everything set up. We're gonna build a wood box out of those pallets. And that's about it.